time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that um these are the assets that we'll be checking out today. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay. Earlier today in my video, I actually analyzed this particular asset, and I told us that this is switching into a downtrend, and of course it will sell for a very long time. It gave us a sell signal at this point, and another sell signal right from here, and you can see it has been selling, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to keep on selling, but if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to GainX 999. GainX 999 actually went on uptrend right from here and got to this region, came back down, and of course I told you yesterday that this is going to buy if it does not break out below this support zone, and it bought till it got to this region. It has got into another resistance zone, and it switched back into a downtrend. Right now it is selling, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 went on uptrend right from here, and of course it got to this resistance zone. And I told us earlier today in my video that this is going to sell, and you can see it has started selling. TP1 has been achieved, TP2 has been achieved. Now it is heading towards TP3. Okay, so this is a good selling opportunity for us. So this is still going to sell. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is Paynex 999. This actually got to the support zone, and it switched back into an option, and right now it has been buying. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will advise you to do so right away so that you can benefit more from my channel. You can also join the Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box below this video. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This actually sold till it got to this support zone, and right from here it switched back into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. If it should break out above this, then it should be targeting this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.